once again with a new episode, with a new guest. And yes, this time it's an experienced person, Mr. Krishna Kumar Bhambar, who is going to explain us his experiences. And now we have the panel with us is Hari, who's a moderator and a host. We have Jinju, we have Varsha Madam, we have Sham, and yes, me myself, all of you know that. So good evening, sir, and over to you, Hari.
Good evening. Hi.
Yeah. Hi. Hi, sir. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining Maitri's yet another episode. My name is Hari Kumar. I'm your friend who is going to connect with you a different set of people. All of us have suffered the blues of the pandemic, and there was a point we were all helpless emotionally on the crossroads of our life. Maitri is a plain platform wherein we want to build an emotional change. Maitri is a community of compassionate friendship to connect on emotional well-being of the society. So I welcome you all again. For today, we have with us a couple who is from Kochi, Mr. and Mrs. Bhamar. Hello, sir. Good evening. Good evening, ma'am. I welcome you both to Maitri's online session. So first of all, I would like to introduce Krishna Kumar Bhamar, who is the founder and owner of Devansh, which is basically a treatment using food therapy. So, ma'am, the floor is yours, ma'am.
So we are just going to ask few questions to Bhamar sir as well as Varsha ma'am. And yes, all of the people who are there, even they can raise their hand to ask a question. And I think so. So we'll be really happy to answer all your doubts, taking each and every aspirations of the life, what he has gone through, and keep us inspiring us. So Hari, you can start with your question, shooting at sir. So, sir, are you comfortable and ready?
I'm comfortable. Please go ahead.
Okay, sir. So, hope you are doing well, and let's see how the session goes on.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hari.
Okay, sir. So the first question I wanted to ask you is, sir, you are a father, a husband, and a son, and overall a person who has to run your own business. You are not only responsible for your family, but also the extended family of your office. How do you keep going, sir?
See, first and foremost is to be positive in life. One single thing I've been telling everybody, life is given by God. Everybody has to die one day. So you cannot get frightened that I will die, and that be positive, live happily. Your immune system will help you live comfortably till you have life. Let it be good or bad, but immune system will take care that health wise you will remain good. This is the what I have been telling all my staff, all my workers. And second thing which I did was asking them to eat healthy food, avoid junk food, try to eat which helps you boost your immunity and keeps you going. That is one thing first I have been telling my family members, my office staff, my workers, all of them, about 40 of them are there. They have been told to do this thing. And over and above this, I have been giving them the immunity booster, which I have prepared it 5 years back for my own granddaughter. I have just modified it slightly and I have been using it for COVID patients. My first patient was my own cousin brother who passed away, but his family members. On May 3rd, 2020, he was a kidney patient. He was in dialysis. He got COVID from the hospital and he didn't last more than 4 hours. He collapsed within 4 hours. And subsequently, his son, his brother-in-law, and his sister, they were the only 3 people around. They took him to the different hospitals. They were not able to give him. Eventually, BMC people came in and they took the body and cremated. They didn't allow anybody to go and see also. They were about half a kilometer away from the cremation ground. And when the fire was lit, they got a message that this is burning, lighting the prayer now. It's the smoke what you see is your father's. That's all. And then when they came home, all of them were tested positive. They were all put into quarantine. And immediately when I got to know after this, I sent them this immunity booster, Devansh Bhakti immunity booster to his wife, his son, his daughter, his sister, brother-in-law, father, mother. All of them were tested positive. And they were the wife and two children were taken off into a quarantine center. They were not allowed to stay there at home. But on the seventh day, they retested him. They were negative, and he was brought back home. And they told, "You're fine, but you stay quarantined for 7 days." That is how I started off this. Subsequently, the third day, I got a call from a family friend, my sister's friend, doctor, who is the head of ICU bed, hospital in Kokila Bay. Her brother-in-law was tested positive. So she asked me. I told, this is the best thing. We're sending it. We sent to her and told him to take this dosage. And don't worry. So she was worried. Her sister was pregnant. I told, sorry, I can't help you here. This cannot be taken because I have not tried it on any pregnant woman. But he recovered in 5 days. 5 days later, the doctor was not attending our phones. She also became COVID positive. She was taking all this. 5th day, she tested negative again. From there, I started all my family members, my office staff, their families, everybody started taking this. And till date, more than 12,000 people have taken it. And touch wood, God's grace, not a single fatality is there. All are comfortable. Even I had worst of the worst cases where doctors have allowed to take this along with the doctor's medications in the hospitals. All have recovered within 7 to 10 days. Even worse, people on ventilators also. They were given through the rice tube, and 7th day, they were all back normal. This is, and still, even the new variant, I've just doubled the dosage for the new variant, and it has been working very well. My office staff, their families were infected. Nothing. They didn't have anything. They didn't have to even go to the hospital, anything. My nephew got infected. Nothing. I just doubled the doses. He was having diabetes and high diabetes, but still, I just told him, double the dosage up, nothing will happen. Till date, we are all fine.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to cut you off. Actually, we have a question from Grishma ma'am. Ma'am, please go ahead.
Yeah, this I just want to I want you to explain this, so that this is not a, this is all about the diet and all about the daily intake of food what you have created. Could you please explain this in a little elaborated way so that people know that this is just an immunity thing what you are talking about, and whatever you have asked people to do is to sustain the good immunity. So this will guide more people about you and can direct towards you so that everyone gets a benefit of this.
Right. As I told you earlier, it is food therapy. It's all made from food, from the kitchen. Nothing has been taken from outside. Yes, maybe neem leaf, we don't use it, but I use it. This is a technology I use where I'm concentrating 6 of the ingredients to a level from 18 to 20 kgs to 100 grams. It is concentrated in natural form. And we are we are tested for heavy metal contamination, mycotoxins, microbiology, we sterilize it. And then only we give it out. This is just the same food, turmeric, pepper, ginger, amla, tulsi, and neem. These are the things, but it is concentrated in a highly natural form without disturbing the molecules of it. And it is highly effective because this takes care of viruses, bacteria, and also fungal infection. So it has zero side effect. The only thing which I have seen till now is maybe 0.01% people have told they have got acidity. That is because they are taking other medications also. Otherwise, absolutely there's zero side effects of this on this, except this acidity for people who are taking other medications may get it. That is 0.01%. Otherwise, there is no side effect. It boosts your immunity to a level where any of this infection coming in. I'm not saying you will not get it. You may get it, but your immunity, body immunity is so high that it will fight it out. It is like you may get one day there's no taste or there is no smell. Within 48 hours or 72 hours, you will become normal. Other than that, nothing happens.
So, sir, one I have a question, sir. Is it safe to have? See, suppose a person is suffering from heart attack. He is taking medicines for this to recover heart attack. Is it safe to
So
take along with the same medicine? So,
yes, this is a thing which has no side effect. It doesn't interfere with any allopathy medications. It just supplements. It is just act as a catalyst, and it works on its own also. It boosts your immunity and it supports the doctor's medications, whatever you are taking. It will just act as a catalyst. And most of the disease which we face are 95% is due to bad food habits or bad food we are taking. It's maybe the food is at home only we are taking, but the pesticide farmers are using. The ban in India, it was not there till date. Now from June 2020, government has started banning pesticides which are harmful to health. Internationally, when we are shipping it out, we have to test for 532 pesticides. But in India, our association has been pushing it, and we were able to ban 27 pesticides, 27 harmful pesticides which can very carcinogenic, due to which we are getting this thing. The companies had tried quite a lot to, because it's a 13,000 crore business in India per year. So this company is manufacturing this, tried a lot. The government has we have told the government, put the foot down, tell them, let them export, out of which 4,000 crores medicine is pesticides are used in India. 8,000 to 9,000 is being exported. So you prepare and export it wherever but you cannot use it in India. India
okay.
being a poor country, it's very going to be difficult to farmers not to use this because they are trying to save their crops. But we are now trying to give them alternate pesticides which are non-harmful to human beings and trying to less harmful or non-harmful to them, telling them. We are, as an association, we are doing a lot of meetings and going all over India for various crops and telling them what is good for them and what is bad, and sustainability. If you want to sustain your crop, if you do, these are the procedures, good agriculture practices we are saying them, and what are the pesticides which you should avoid, which can help you get a better price. Like what Prime Minister is saying, the farmers to get a better price. We are ourselves doing backward integration also in couple of products, where we are telling the farmers, loss is ours, profit is yours. You do the farming for the products which we ask you, the way we tell you. Whatever your cost is, minimum guarantee 15% margins we give you. In case the market crashes down, your cost plus 15% margin we give you. And if the market is high, whatever be the market, we will pay you market price. And once we test it, if it passes all our parameters, we'll give you additional price for it. One example I'll tell you, in 2018, we had this for onions. We had bought about 1,200 tons of fresh onions, which turns out to about 200 and odd tons of dried dehydrated onions. The prices of onions crashed down from 15 rupees to 1 rupee a kilo. The costing is minimum 4 rupees 25 paisa. The farmer whom we had contracted had agreed. We had told him, don't worry, you will not lose money. We took his product, we processed it, and we tested it. You will not believe, my buyer has given him 20 rupees, where the price was running 1 rupee. The farmer got 20 rupees a kilo, because it passed all the parameters, and Japanese buyer was happy with it. He paid a price because he was paying 5 times than that to the USA person. So this is the thing. If we are able to help the farmers that they don't suffer losses, then we can grow.
Sir,
So one of the reasons.
Sir,
Yes, this,
Grishma
yeah.
ma'am has a question. Ma'am, please go
I'm
ahead.
asking on behalf of all of you who are sitting over here. So the thing is, nowadays jab has been asked to be taken by everyone, the vaccination. And
Yes.
as you told about the ingredients are all found in our kitchen. So it's very safe to go and take this immunity booster. So what would you say, both the things work, or how should we go around it? Because even I've been vaccinated and I had some difficulties for a couple of days, but after that I had a little bit of side effects also, like having dizziness and all those things, though being diabetic and hypertensive person. So if we take this booster, though COVID came or didn't come, can we just simply take this booster to increase our immunity with the jab?
You can. I will give you my example. My whole family has been taking it since more than a year and a half now. From May 3rd onwards, we have started. May 3rd, 2020. We have been taking, all of us in my family, my office staff, my workers, their families, friends, everybody is taking. And best thing I will tell you, we have been, my son and myself have been traveling all around India.
Yes.
In this COVID, when we were at peak, we have traveled. My son has made 11 trips. I have made 5 trips. We have just taken that, this dosage, we have taken it 3 times a day after breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And we have been traveling into COVID areas. We have gone to the COVID hospitals to give it to the doctors. We have tried it out in 3 districts also. They have found it very successful. But whatever be the reasons, they were not able to take it. They're saying it's the political reasons, whatever be the decision to be taken. But even now, the doctors are taking this from us. They are asking it and taking it, and they're saying it has helped us. We are working. We have taken the jab. Still, we are taking it, and we are not getting any side effects of the, like as you told, you had this thing. Even I have taken the first jab. My wife has taken. Varsha has taken it. We have never had anything, nothing, no pain or nothing. I had for 1 hour some pain was there. Neck the second day, Varsha didn't have anything. My son didn't have anything. My daughter-in-law did get fever for that evening, 2 hours or something. But other than that, nothing else. We have been taking this. Only thing, the dosage you need to, when you get infected with the COVID, your dosage changes. You slightly take a higher dosage, that immunity keeps on high. It fights the infection and keeps your body up. See, the medicine is not fighting the infection. There is no medicine for COVID-19. Let me be for this protein. It's a protein. It has no medications. Whether they have given hydrochloroquine, they have given Ivermectin, they've given a lot of Fabiflu, Fabigard, all this, even this vaccine. They're saying it's just a thing that you will not get its seriousness. Means you don't get, but there are people after taking both the jabs have died, have got COVID and passed away. The main noted person is Dr. K.K. Agrawal, the famous cardiologist, India's topmost cardiologist he was. He was the person who was giving us all the, every week his videos were coming out, helping people. And he passed away. His wife is also a doctor. She think we could not help him. But when we are telling you start taking this, along with your jab, you take doctor's medication. We are not stopping you. Take this. It will just boost you, help you fight that infection out. It's your immune system which is fighting the disease, not the medicine.
Sir,
It is the immune system.
sir, coming back to you, we have Mr. Sham from our panel who has a question for you. Sham, please go ahead.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Good
Hi.
evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, I have one question. So, I mean, I was really, happy to hear that, you've been helping people and, you have done very great job. I don't know in your age, how many of them will really think about like, helping the society, helping the community, finding a medicine which is really helping the others, during this COVID situation, So, I mean, I really should appreciate you. And one question is, how do you find having this when you go to hospitals or when you go to meet the patients, right? how do they react? Like, I mean, because this is not because there are a lot of medicines out there. There are a lot of people out there with coming up with various type of uh, medicines. Not only jabs. I'm not talking about injections or jabs, but I'm talking about the other things. If you see Karnataka, there are one person was bringing up some medicine, and then I don't know there are other places as well. So how do you find, I mean, how do they react when you go with them? What do they think about it, or how are you trying to explain them that this going to work for you?
No, I can
That
tell you, see, sorry, I can just give you one single point. There are many immunity boosters depending on the combinations you have, and it is based on your metabolism. What the others are using, they are using Ayurveda. I don't know. I have not done Ayurveda, but I am doing only on food. So I'm sure that this has no side effect. Even if it doesn't give you benefit you, it doesn't give you the side effect or gives you an adverse effect by taking. While any of the other things which you take can give you adverse effect. Whether it's allopathy, whether it's Ayurveda, whether it's homeopathy, or it could be Siddha. There are many different types. I'm not sure because I am not tried out and I cannot comment on anybody of what they are doing. I can only tell you one thing: what I have done and what I am successful with. They may be doing it; it will be helping. I'm not saying no. Yes, but it is the person who is giving it or who has done the study or done the research. He is the person who is will be able to help you, tell you more about it. Definitely, I say it will be helping, but maybe not 100%, maybe 90%, or maybe even 100%. But yes, to be honest with you, allopathy medicines, anything you take has a side effect.
Okay.
Ayurveda, the limitations of side effect are negligible. On food therapy, it is zero. Yes, allopathy gives you immediate results. Ayurveda or food therapy or Siddha or homeopathy will take a little time to give you a response to your body. It takes because it removes, goes to the root cause of it. It is not the just temporary getting the virus or the protein or whatever the bacteria is there, just killing it.
okay.
And second thing I will tell you, if we are able to do research on this thing properly, like I told you, of late we are having a lot of autoimmune diseases. Lot of autoimmune diseases. Even diabetes is one of them. We have rheumatic arthritis. We have got HLA-B27. We have got ILD, intestine lung disease. We have got idiotic pulmonary fibrosis. All these things are there. There are many of them. Sarcoidosis of lung, lupus of legs, lupus of brain. Means these are autoimmune diseases. That is, your immune system is attacking your own system, thinking it's a foreign body. Why is the cause? Nobody knows. But one thing which I have learned from a friend of mine, the protein where the protein there changes its shape. The impulse which goes from that protein to your immune system says this is different shape. So your immune system starts attacking it.
Okay, sir.
So,
So,
and why this is happening, we don't know. It could be some food or some chemical or whatever. I don't know.
So one more question to you. These days, if you see in the lockdown, a lot of keto products have come down. They say keto diet and, like herbal products and all have popped up. So what do you say? Is that a good move of the people? And now people are talking about more protein diets and non-vegetarian diet, which people are including in the food. So I don't want to create any controversy over here, but just wanted to know, like, how our kitchen products, the herbal products, what we have in our kitchen, how can they build your protein and immune system strong? Can you just put a light on this topic? Because now a lot of things have been floated on the Facebook: keto diet, this diet, that diet, reduce your size, coffee, and all those things. And people are running behind all those things like a crazy, leftover things. So what would you recommend over here from your point of view? How should people curb their emotions and just focus on eating healthy and increasing their immunity while they are eating the right food?
I will just tell you two things in that. I have not done studies on that. Yes, there are many things. It is business for everybody. For me, this is not business. That's the difference. Is only thing is between them and me is this. That's why I don't promote it as business. The only thing which I will tell you is, if you can eat your food, like if you're eating raw vegetables or whatever you're cooking, see that if you can eat it raw, that is, you wash it in hot water first and try to take salads or things, raw food, not the animal food, but vegetables, I would tell you, or the fruits or salads. If you can eat them raw, you will get all the required proteins and everything from that. The moment you start cooking it, you lose 95 to 97% of lot of the oils, which volatile oil evaporates off. Many of these ingredients they evaporate out, so you don't get it.
Okay, sir.
So preferable, even my products are not cooked. That is why I tell my products, what I give you, you can consume it any way you want it, but please don't cook it. Don't cook it, because it's all that, everything is there in that. The moment you cook, you will lose a lot of things in it. The effectiveness of that product will come down. So that's it. You try to eat raw food, raw salads, raw vegetables, at least twice a week. But non-vegetarian food has to be cooked properly and in small pieces, not big pieces. Because like we are human beings, they are living beings, they also have bacteria, viruses and all. So if it is a small piece, it is the heat has to penetrate through all the meat, killing the spores or bacteria or viruses inside. So that is what I would advise people, that you, whatever you eat, I don't say no, but make it into small pieces, 1 inch by 1 inch. Don't go in for big pieces, because if you take a big chicken leg, I will tell you, take a chicken leg, the outer part will be well cooked, inside you will find it white. The virus or the spores which are there, they become dormant. The heat reaches there, but not 100 degrees. It is there at 50 or 60 degrees. So the spores become dormant. They don't die. If you want to kill it, it has to reach 100 degrees. So that's why we say when we are sterilizing, it is at 100 degrees, 120 degrees, we take the temperature for sterilizing, so that we kill most of the spores. And after that, if that product, if you use, it is not at all harmful. Any quantity you take, it doesn't harm you.
Okay,
it is
sir.
free of viruses.
Okay. So coming back to Varsha, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
see, there is a saying called behind every successful man, there is a woman. So,
She can't hear you.
ma'am,
So,
Unmute it, unmute it.
please
come here.
unmute.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, my question was, see, there is a saying that says behind every successful man, there is a woman. So,
I think your wife is helping you, that means.
no, let me complete it. So, in your life, how are you supporting Krishna Kumar sir?
In everything, everywhere, every now and then.
That you should ask me, not her. I will give you the answer. I will tell you, she is my backbone. The answer for that, she is my backbone.
Okay.
And Hari, I will not deny this. I will not deny this, because I know both of these couples, how good they are and how they support each other. So I will not at all deny this, that they both are made for each other. The understanding level is wonderful, which is required, and that is missing in today's generations or today's era, you can say.
Okay. So actually,
Thank you.
yeah. So actually, we are actually running out of time. So I just want to ask our panel members if there is any questions that you might want to shoot. Anyone, please.
Panel members.
So I guess, yeah.
Hey, Hari.
Grishma ma'am has one thing, kitty. Ma'am, please
No,
shoot.
it is not a question, Hari. It is not a question. Actually, because of the constraint of time,
Yeah.
we couldn't extract a lot of knowledge from, Mr. Krishna Kumar sir. And I just want this episode to be done one more time. Can we have a second episode with sir next time? Is it possible if you all agree? Because I want him to share a lot of things with us. So this is being a little selfish, that can we have you, sir, for the next episode also?
Yeah, anytime.
Thank
If I'm
you.
in
Thank
town,
you very much.
definitely.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for that.
I will tell you, it's my passion to help people. I'm doing social service. Even this, the immunity boosters or different products which I'm giving out, 40% are going to the poor people free of cost. Those who can afford, they pay me. Otherwise, I treat them free of cost.
So Hari, we have one more person like me on the show, and we can glue him to our show permanently now.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Who is doing it out of passion, not for the money. So people out over there, it's a very clear message. There are people who are doing their professions thoroughly for the sake of humanity. Not everywhere the money is involved.
For me, I have my business separate. This is a passion. And I'm trying to do a lot of research and study for people where there are no medications, no allopathy, homeopathy, or Ayurvedic medicines. I'm trying to do study on that if I'm able to help them on food, by food therapies. And touch wood, I have been able, wherever I have tried till now, 90% I have been successful helping the people out.
So, sir,
Wonderful, sir.
one more question we have from Sham is like, sir, we would love to know more about your products, sir.
Yeah, I can see, you want to see my products, it is there on available on Amazon. That's the people who pay, they pay from Amazon. Then I have my website also, devanshwellness.com. DEVANSH wellness.com. Single word. Devansh Wellness is single word.com. You will find what are the ingredients I'm using, what are the benefits of each ingredient is mentioned on the website. Only thing is the technology we are used to concentrate it is not given there. Whatever things I use are mentioned there. So it'll help people. Even if they don't take from me, they can use it themselves. But the question is concentrating it in a natural form without disturbing the molecules of it for the helping of the people. I've just got today one of my friends. He's been having one of the brain disease where there is no medications at all. From last week, from May last week, he is bedridden. He's lost his memory. One of the top industrialists in our industry. Just got to know yesterday evening, and I've just told him, give me 48 hours, I will send you supplements. And I spoke to his son, told him I'm sending the supplements to see that he comes out. I'm hopeful that he will recover within about 3 months' time completely. But then I told you, life is given by God. We don't know. Best we can, we try our best for what we can to help each other. And if I'm able to do that, that person, I'm already treated 3 people. One is 100% cured. 2 people are still under treatment. It is partially affected, improved their health.
Okay.
If it is at the first stage, initial, I can get you out of it. Let it be any tough, worst of the worst diseases can be treated at the initial stage.
Yes, sir. And we are going to continue this talk for the next time also, because still a lot of questions and still a lot of things to know from you. So Hari, as I'm seeing the time limit over here, that's why I am saying this. So Jinju, Sham, and there are other two candidates which couldn't join us today because of their personal things. They will also be there to put forward you the questions next time. So I want you to be there and pray all your dreams come true and you get success, and
Thank
also
you.
you sail with the same thoughts as you want to help people. So Hari, would you like to say something?
Okay, so I would like to thank all of you for joining our webinar. Special thanks to Varsha ma'am as well as Krishna Kumar sir. So I felt, to be frank, I felt like this time was not so enough.
Sufficient.
It was not
Yes.
sufficient. We have
Seriously, it was not
seriously,
sufficient.
seriously, I have so many questions to ask. So I'd like to personally, as well as on behalf of Maitri, invite you for a second episode. If it is possible, please join us, sir.
Definitely, whenever you Girishma can talk to Varsha and anytime you finalize it.
Okay, so I'd
Thank
like
you, sir.
thank you.
Obliged us.
Thank you, sir.
The only thing you can come if anybody is having a particular issues, I will be able to help you out for that particular issue. Like you have arthritis, you have rheumatic arthritis, you have a brain stroke, or you have any issues. Specifically, if you come, I can tell you what food, what you can. Anybody having it, or in their family, because I treat most of the
We are
diseases,
there now,
including
Hari.
cancers.
We are in the queue.
We are next in the queue.
Cancers also.
Okay, so thanks everyone. Actually, we are running short of time. So thank you everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Catch you
Thank
for the
you.
next time again. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.